Ownice T-Box Tutorial, Wireless CarPlay and AirPlay. Here's Ownice T-Box and its power cord. Plug in to power it up. Pairing Bluetooth between phone and T-Box. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone. Tap the device TSL to pair. Click Pair, then click Allow. Click Turn on WLAN and use CarPlay. Or use CarPlay. Connecting T-Box Wi-Fi. On Tesla screen, go to Tesla Wi-Fi list and tap TSL. Enter password 128 and confirm. Wait for the green icon indicating connected. Then tap Wi-Fi settings below. Make sure to tick Remain Connected in Drive. Now go to Tesla browser. Enter URL autoaibox.link. We can see CarPlay interface is on. Add to favorite for quick access next time. Pairing Bluetooth between Tesla and phone. Go to Tesla Bluetooth page. Tap Connect Phone and then start search. Tap the phone on the list to pair. Click Pair, then click Allow. Turn on Priority Device on Tesla Bluetooth page. Go back to CarPlay by switching to Tesla browser. Audio switch tips. If you switch back to CarPlay after using other audio apps, you may find CarPlay is muted. Simply regain the sound by tapping Bluetooth. Because Tesla has different audio sources, and CarPlay audio is via Bluetooth. AirPlay screen mirroring. Tap Tesla icon to enter T-Box link page. Tap Cast to activate AirPlay function. Swap down to Open Control Center, and tap the screen mirroring icon. Click ZJ AirPlay to start mirroring. We can see screen mirroring is on. Screen rotation is automatic. Video playback is smooth. Follow the same steps to stop mirroring.
Oh, nice!